Okay, question 2. We have an exponential model. So, a zoologist is investigating the growth of the population of red squirrels in a forest. She uses the equation n equals 200 over 1 add 9e to the minus t over 5 as a model to predict the number of squirrels n in the population 2 weeks after the start of the investigation. We want to work out the number of squirrels at the start of the investigation. So, at the start, t is equal to 0. So, when t is equal to 0, n is 200 over 1 add 9e to the power of 0. E to the power of 0 is 1. So this is 200 over 10, which gives us 20. Cool.